Kia ora tātou, Maramatanga Minute Day 35. I'm kind of excited for this particular video. We're going to start adding a few more layers on top of, in particular, the kōrero around the tama. So this has been a topic that was quite controversial in Ratana's time, and still to this day it's quite a controversial topic. So it's basically around the whole kōrero around Ihu Karaiti and Te Tamo Te Mataora, and why Ratana made a move from one name to the other. And yeah, it's going to take a couple of videos for us to to digest this kōrero, but we'll make a start tonight anyway. And 1924, 1925, when Ratana is on the world tour, he notices and he realizes that a lot of people around the world are using the name Jesus Christ in a blasphemous way. So quite quickly, because we've only got a minute, Ratana observes this nature of how our people were behaving, and so he comes back and he encourages us, te iwi mōrehu, to leave the name Ihu Karaiti in love and respect, and uphold a name that is yet to be blasphemed. So, ko te tamo te mataora tērā. Ratana did not deny the Christ ever, but there are several reasons as to why he tried to encourage us to uphold the spiritual name of the Son. So this is just one kōrero here. The next couple of videos we'll start downloading some of the kōrero to all of you. So, kia ora tātou, mā ngai tautuka mai, ai nea ake nea.